How to change or add a profile picture on cTrader. Welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're still rocking that default avatar of cTrader and you don't have your own profile picture, then here is how you can easily add or change your new profile picture on cTrader application. So first of all, open your cTrader app on your mobile device like you normally do. And once you're inside the home page, make sure that you're logged into your cTrader account as well. Now, from the home section, go ahead and click on your profile icon or the cTrader logo at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on the gear button at the top right in front of the human icon, right next to your email. And this will open up the Manage Profile section. Now, click the Profile button under Manage Profile and wait. You'll then be able to see your profile icon or your initial at the top of the screen. Tap on the little pencil icon right underneath your current avatar or initial. You can then go ahead and upload an existing picture of yours or take a picture from your device's camera. To take an immediate photo, tap on Take Photo and click a picture right away. In order to add an existing picture, tap on Photo Library and go ahead and select a profile picture of yourself. Once done, click on the tick mark at the top right and then crop your image within the circle and click Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to upload or add a new profile picture on cTrader account. You can also upload a cover image if you want by tapping on the pencil at the top right behind your profile icon. And you can also select a photo from your device's camera roll or take a picture from your device's camera right away and set it as a cover image. So after you have this profile picture, you can head back to the home section. And if you ever come back to your profile icon or your profile page, you'll be able to see your new profile picture. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.